Your LUMIX S1 series cameras have a variety of connectivity features available to help speed up your workflows and give more advanced control whether you're taking photos or shooting video. In this video, I'm going to be using the S1R Mark II to demonstrate these features. The first is tethering to Capture One. Capture One is a professional photo editing and tethering software purchased separately, known for its exceptional color grading tools, precise raw file handling, and highly customizable workflow. Essentially, when paired with your LUMIX for photos, it makes it a powerhouse for total creative control while speeding up your photography workflows. To tether your LUMIX to Capture One, it's as easy as connecting a high-speed USB-C cable to your computer or tablet, and when prompted on the camera, select PC Tether, and that's it. This function also works wirelessly. This next feature can be used for photography, but it's more commonly utilized in a video workflow, and that is the camera to cloud function. If you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can upload files to Frame.io in real time for a remote editor to access and begin editing as you're shooting. Go to the In/Out menu and choose Frame.io. Now establish a Wi-Fi connection by choosing Connection Setup and New Connection. Choose your network and enter the password to connect. Next, we need to link to Frame.io by choosing Frame.io connection. You'll get a pairing code you'll need to enter in Frame.io under C2C connection. You can then choose your upload settings in the Upload Setup menu by choosing RAW, JPEG, or proxy video. Lastly, let's briefly talk about some of the features available on the LUMIX Flow app. When paired with your LUMIX camera, it not only helps with workflows, but also with camera control in the field. You can use the LUMIX Flow app to turn your phone into an external monitor for your camera. It even works wirelessly, so you can monitor or change settings on your camera no matter where your camera is. To connect your camera to the app via USB-C, open the LUMIX Flow app. Be sure to enable any permissions and choose LUMIX Flow on the camera to connect after connecting the USB-C cable. When connecting wirelessly, just be sure to allow any permissions through the connection process to ensure a stable connection. Let me touch briefly on the video production workflow option on the LUMIX Flow app. Essentially, this feature helps you plan everything from scripts, storyboards, and shot lists. It even lets you mark takes on your camera as you go as okay, keep, or bad. And once you're done shooting, your footage is automatically organized into folders on the SD card. You can even import the XML file to your video editing software, and it'll import your footage onto your timeline based on how you marked it in the LUMIX Flow app. Also, if you want to quickly send images and videos to your smartphone or create LUTs to play with different looks for your photos and videos, you can use the LUMIX Lab app. No matter if you are trying to speed up workflows, monitor your camera, or stay organized on a shoot, your LUMIX camera has got it all and more.